guys, Uniqueness Essentials here. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I transformed this old shelf that I've had laying around at home. I started off by spray painting it silver. I kept it aside and then I got Walmart mirrors, prepped them for spray painting, and spray painted just the frame silver as well. I'm going to be taking 2 of the mirrors and gluing them on this hard wooden board. Apart from the glue, I also used screws to attach both of them together. When I was done with that, the next thing I did was to attach the singular mirrors to the shelf. The shelf, unfortunately for me, was going to touch just the mirrors. So because of that, I'm going to be attaching them together with liquid nails. After 4 hours, it was dry, but then I'm not going to leave it that way. I'm going to put my mind at ease and then attach the frame of the mirror to the shelving with corner braces. After I was done with this, I took the double mirrors that I glued to the board and attached it at the back. It's already looking pretty the way it is. Now the next thing I'm going to do is work on the frame. And I'll be using a particle board and cutting it to strips that I will need for the design that I want to make at the front. I used my hand saw for cutting, and the link for this is going to be in the description box below. I made a frame with a cutout, and then I took it out and spray painted it silver. The next thing I'll do is use masking tape to give me lines for my borders. I got glitter spray paint. I was trying to see if it was gonna work, to see if the glitter is gonna be thick enough and if I could use it that way. But then when I was done, I could barely even see the glitter, and I used 2 coats. So I then went ahead to use the method that I know, using gloss Mod Podge all over it. And I'm using a generous amount of Mod Podge. And then after that, I'm going to be sprinkling crushed mirror glass on it. This is going to be down in the description box below. And for those of you who have bought this particular crushed mirrors, you've been saying that you see black crushed mirror glass. And I want to let you guys know that the black doesn't really matter because it kind of makes the whole presentation pop, in my opinion anyway. Now this is what it looks like. I'm going to be taking off the masking tape and then sealing it with this acrylic sealer that I got from Walmart. And I'm trying to see if this is going to hold in the crushed mirror glass pieces. I applied 4 coats, and then when I was done, I was impressed with the sealing effect. Now for the borders, I'm going to be covering them up with these mirror sheets. I got the sheets online, and the link for this is also going to be in the description box below. When I was done, I took off the protective films from all the cutout pieces. This is what I'm going to be working on. So all I did was just lift up the frame and attach it to the shelf. And I'm attaching it with screws. I'll be adding lighting to what I just made. The screw heads that are showing are going to be covered up with gems. This transformation was quite easy. The only thing left to do now is to clean it up, add mirrors and other decorative items inside. Now I love how this turned out. Reminds me of the ones that I normally see in stores. And I made mine at home, simply by transforming the look of a boring old shelf that I already had at home. And with the help of Walmart mirrors, I turned it into an amazing, glam, luxurious looking cabinet. Thank you guys so much for watching. Now I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.